Welcome to the Great Storytellers Bake Off. Our bakers are all children's authors, so today's showstopper challenge is to create a feast for a birthday party.
Hello. Now, who are you?
Dahl, Roald Dahl. And I'm concocting nish nobblers and snozcumbers with a splendiferous fudge mallow delight, plus edible teacups.
Sounds a bit basic, don't you think, Murray?
We'll see.
Yeah, we will.
I'm Enid Blyton. I shall be making sardine sandwiches with ginger pop and lashings of boiled eggs. Every child's absolute favourite meal.
And what about a cake?
Oh, they won't have time for cake. They'll be off having adventures and chasing smugglers.
Oh, sounds a bit risky, don't you think, Murray?
Chasing smugglers?
No, the sardines and boiled eggs. Hope it's not a sleepover. Gas mark 10.
Come on.
And our third contestant is...
Lewis Carroll. And I will be making a drink that makes you smaller and a cake that makes you bigger.
Don't all cakes make you bigger?
Well, you should know.
Hey, Mark's got said
Your
bake!
mum said bake.
It's time to see how our contestants have got on. First up, best-selling author Roald Dahl.
A spaghetti cake. That's a bit, wriggly.
Yes, it's worm spaghetti.
It's raw in the middle.
I rather like it. Hello.
And next we have Enid Blyton.
The end.
Now, Enid, I think I'll try one of your edible teacups.
He was the one with the edible teacups.
Scrumdiddlyumptious.
And lastly, author of Alice in Wonderland, Lewis Carroll.
Behold, the greatest party food ever created. Drink me. Okay. Oh, I'm shrinking. I'm shrinking. How will I ever get big again? Maybe I should have one of these biscuits. Yum, 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 yum.
You haven't beat anything, have you?
No, I haven't. No.
Judging is the hardest part of the show. But I suppose this week's star baker is... Enid.
Oh, hurrah! Huzzah! Jolly good effort, I say. And the holidays have only just begun. Here's to many more adventures in our secret tent.
Is it possible for someone to be star baker and be sent home?
Yes.
Ghastly, mean and cruel, stuff they don't teach you at